This is so annoying. Guys, I'm raging at this game right now. I'm raging at soccer physics. I want to stop every gameplay. But if you like the gameplays, I'm sorry, but I really want to because it's driving me mad. This game is driving me mad. Okay, right now you can see I'm playing like I spent all my coins to like all my soccer physics coins that I took like 2 hours to get for a video in this. And right now there should be a 90-second timer, but the 90-second timer is glitched. It's making me play till the end, till the end, like how much until I get annoyed of this, like, because if you press the back button, the orange button, the circle up there on the left, you'll go back, but soccer physics won't give you back your coins that I took a lot to go on this, and then just glitch the game. So annoying. And I'll give you, okay, I'll go away from this. It's 15-11, no, 16-11 now to me against Germany, and this should never happen in soccer physics. It's not possible that this happens. So 17-11. So I'll just go back. I have 0 points now, and yeah. And I think this game is practically a ripoff. Yeah, because lots of times when you like pay coins, like enter game will cost 100 gold, or you don't know, enter warm-up will cost 170 gold. Yeah, this stuff. If you enter, like lots of times happened to me that it glitched. And then you lose like all your coins, and and then it's really just annoying. So today, guys, I wanted to do this video of deleting soccer physics and commenting in the Play Store that soccer physics say it's really bad. So yeah, practically, let's go and do this. Go back. Sorry, you just saw what I was doing before video. Okay, Play Store, and we'll go on my apps and games, and yes, install the Happy Soccer. And I wanted to rate this app, and I'm going to rate it 2 stars. Can you play this game offline? Yes. Well, at the start it is entertaining, but then it will no. At the start, when you download, download it, it's fun when you start to get page because of the glitching and the lag in the game. And there are too many too many ads. Submit. So I just done this, and how is this 4.3? Yes. 1 star, 5 star. It would be funny if you could. Yeah, 1 star. Basically me. 2 stars, but 5 star, 5 star, 4 star, 1 star, 1 star, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, 3 star, 5 star, 3 star, 3 star, 1 star, 2 star, 1 star, 2 star, 2 star, 1 star, 3 star, 1 star, 5 star, 1 star, 1 star, 5 star, 1 star. Well, some of these were for another version, but I don't think they were too great ratings. And yeah, so we'll disinstall it. Sorry guys, but really sorry, but this means I'll stop my gameplay of Happy Soccer. But I probably think I would never end it because I would rage too much. Okay, so uninstall. Okay. I always hated this. Well, at the start, like when I started it, the gameplay I liked it, but now I hate it because I wanted to do another gameplay of this, but like it continued to like glitch every time I did it, and like it would kill me. It would really like annoy me. And home. What should we do for a new series, a new game? What game, guys? Now, guys. Sorry. Low battery. I can't get FIFA 18 because I don't have it. Clash of Clans now told. Guys, comment down below for which game I should start a gameplay on which I'll choose now. Okay, so I'll probably play one. No, Akinator. I think I know this game. Oh yeah, I'll play this one day, but like no gameplay, no. And tell me, like, sorry, I tried Just Dance because like my sister wanted it. Just Dance now. I don't want to see me dancing right now, guys. Roblox. I'm Roblox. No, sorry guys. Roblox. I once played it. Once it was fun, but now it's really bad. It's bad. And toilet time. What? What? Toilet time minigames with the bathroom boredom. If I installed this, I could actually like do videos when I'm in the toilet. No, but no. This would be really weird. Really strange. Geometry Dash? No, not right now. Walking Dead, I don't think so. Just comment down below. Even the ones I said no. Just say, come on, yes, give me an Android, do it. And then you'll convince me. And I'll do them for you. Civilization Revolutionary Watch. I searched it because I heard of this game. But yeah, Forge of Empires. Just comment down below, maybe. Oh, Plague will make a video once. Nearly sure about that. Polytopia, nice game. SimCity, maybe. Just Fallout Shelter, actually. Maybe, not really. Just I'm not sure. Just comment down below which game you want to get to make a new series on. Well, not like only one video, but like a series probably, or maybe just say one video or series, which one. Yeah, just actually games. Insta Life or Color Switch, no. FIFA Mobile I once had, and no anymore. Hot Lost Dog, what is that? Football Strike, nope. Choices. If you want to, Dragon City, Lord's Mobile. No movies or what? Jetpack Joy. Chess. I don't know. Maybe. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This looks amazing. Guys, next video will be about Poe. I'll assure that. Poe will be in our next video. Poe will be in our next video. Guys, I'm going to install it. I'm going to install it. This is the best game ever. Yes. Best game ever. Best game ever. No, just sorry, guys. I was critical. I was being I was not saying like the truth, but actually, I want to play this. The game probably sucks. It's for 5-year-old kids. But I'm sorry if you're a 5-year-old kid, but I need to say this or under. Yeah, but I just do a video about this because I want to see how bad this game is. One video, not a series, because it will kill me to do a series. Actually, should I do it now? Yeah, we should do it now. We'll do the Poe is your pet alien who loves to eat and play. Jack Whimper's mouth now. Poe is dirty. Oh yes, he's dirty. Okay. No, I don't want to share it. Wait, this. Okay. Oof. And Poe is dirty cleaning with soap and water. Wait. Let's clean. No, I don't want to share it. Shower. Okay, guys, the video I was saying that I'm going to do next time about Poe, it's here right now. Yes. Oh, I can tickle him. Then there's the lab. Health potion. Wow. There's a ball. Wow. Wow, this is fun. No, actually, it is fun washing ball. Going. Oh my gosh. This is going crazy. Oh my god. This is actually better than soccer physics. I admit this. This is better than soccer physics, guys. Better than soccer physics. It might not be like a really good game, but I already know it's better than soccer physics. Sky jump. What's sky jump? What? Wait, what? How do you play this? How do you play this? Play again. How do you play this? Okay, this game is bad. This mini game is bad. Quit. Oh, let's go to the shop. Balls. Oh, football. What teams are? Juventus. Juventus. By the way, guys, Juventus is my favorite football team. If you know what like football teams are, Juventus is my favorite. No, Jack Cages. Oh, I have 313 coins. Nice. Okay, then there's a bedroom. Sleep. Oh, oh, it's a micro. There's a micro. Off. Oh. Okay, speak. Speak, Poe. Speak. Why don't you speak? Speak. 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 Oh, he doesn't speak. He says speaks. Cloud. Oh wow, it's a cloud. Oh, okay. The cloud is making the flowers bigger. Oh, it doesn't work anymore. I could put it on Poe. Poe, my best friend. Oh, pet. He's my pet. Let's take him for a walk. Pet walk. Obstacle with your finger up, right down. Oh, oh, okay. This is interesting. Oh, God. Oh, I'm taking him for a walk. By swinging his fingers up. I need to swing up for the cloud, down for like the mountain, and right for the trees. And every time I get it wrong, I get like less time. Oh, okay. 44, okay. Oh, PvP, what's PvP? Poe versus Poe. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Poe 4-6. Okay. Yes, Bluetooth. Yes. Oh, good. Okay, guys, I'm going to do PvP next video because I actually want to do another Poe video. I'll probably ask my sister to do it with me. I'll ask my sister to do PvP Poe because that sounds intense with me in the next video. Okay, that really does not sound intense, but just because. Speak. Hello. Why doesn't he say hello? There's a microphone. Okay. Well, shop. Poe, I could color him. Animals. Panda. Oh. I could. Oh wow! I could make him high. I could make him Hitler. Okay, no. Superhero black. Bruh. Oh. What's the difference between all of these? Oh, A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P O R. Shirts. T-shirt. Oh, I could buy those, but no. He will be naked. No, that sounds strong. Oh, up. No, cancel. Oh, I could get friends if I plug my email. For next video, I put my email so I can play with my sister. I'll tell you a secret, guys. Even my sister plays this. I knew it from the start. She played this, so yes. Just continue playing. Cherries? No, you don't need to eat. let's play games. Phone. Games. Let's play. Oh, hoops. We can play basketball. Oh, okay. You need to put. Let's slam dunk with him. Slam dunk. Oh. Does this work? If I can go up. Does it fall down? Oh no, that was so close. No, again. That was amazingly close. This is nice. Oh. That's the... I'm trying to do it like from up. If I do this. If I put it... Oh, that went... No, oh, that went in... This is fun. No. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on. Do this. Time is ending. Why does this have to have time? And we just like play basketball. Just stop. Where? No home. No, I mean games. Is there like... Oh, beach volley. Oh, I could do PvP. Great game. Go. Okay. Paul 466. Who's that? Join game. Okay. This game cannot be played over. Okay, just not now. Next time we'll play all the PvP games. What do you have to do? Oh, I basically have to move like just pressing the arrows, and then if I press it with my... Oh my gosh, my battery is nearly dead. Okay, sorry guys, I need to leave you there. Losing 5-0 against this yellow hamster. Oh my gosh, 7-0. And last one. No, wait, no, last one. Oh my gosh, come on, come on. How is that foul? You never... First to 10. Oh, okay. Oh, I'm in level 2. Yes, this is amazing. Cancel. Oh, next level, 3%. Okay. Size baby, 4% adult. Okay, so guys, I need to leave you for next time. Next time I'll either do Terraria, Clash Royale, or I will do a PvP game of this. Okay, so that means see you next